Hey guys, welcome back to Majimon's English program or Burglish, where we mix Burmese and English and call it Burglish. Nikamala, Majimon English is season Jozobare, Burglish Gale Jozobare. So, so you know what Burglish is. Burglish is when you mix Burmese and English and call it Burglish. I'm actually excited just because, I love using slang and I love understanding the new trends and what people are saying and the words that they use. And so today we're going to go over some of the cool slang. Some slang that I kind of use, right? So, okay. Okay, so my favorite slang word recently is Delulu. Delulu. Delulu means short for delusional, and I have a whole explanation about this. But Delulu just means short for delusional, and a delusional person believes that anything can happen for the best or for the worst. So a delusional person believes that anything can happen. No? They think anything is possible for the best or for the worst, right? But in this context, it's not so good. Delulu right? Oh, she's Delulu. I'm a little Delulu sometimes too. But anyway, so they believe things that couldn't possibly happen, that aren't true. So the Delulu kayo kata pyoya no kayo kata dutiao ka မဖြစ်နိုင်တဲ့ဟာတွေကိုဖြစ်နိုင်တယ်လို့ပြောတာ Delulu เนาะအရန်ယုံကြည်တာ right မဖြစ်နိုင်တဲ့ဟာတွေမမှန်တဲ့ဟာတွေကို things that are not true သူတို့က they think it's true, they think it's possible, they believe it to be ယုံကြည်တာဖြစ်နိုင်တယ်ဖြစ်မယ် is that good or bad ယုံကြည်တာ believe It's a great thing. Yonchira. I believe it. Yonchira. Okay, so one Delulu thing. There are several Delulu things that I have going on in my mind right now. But one Delulu thing is I'm going to be a famous singer, right? I mean, that's so Delulu. That is unbelievable, crazy, unbelievably crazy. Very Delulu. Delulu pita. I can't sing. Jimo, the chin solo meow, the chin soda, yamagao, like it's horrible. I'm a horrible singer, so I'm never gonna be a pop star. That's Delulu, no? Okay guys, so do you think of yourself as Delulu? Are you delusional? What other slang words can you use this week? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're Delulu, I believe in you. I'm with the Delulus. I don't know. We'll talk more about that later. Bye. Have a great weekend. Majimon English season up. Jozo bade. Bye pionira ku. Burglish gale. Jesu dene lo. Thank you for joining me this week.